Understanding Investments a Few Minutes at a Time by Daniel Dower. From Chapter 8, A Little Game Theory. Issue number 35. The St. Petersburg Paradox. Discovered by Nicholas Bernoulli, the St. Petersburg Paradox was first published in the St. Petersburg Academy Proceedings in 1738. It represents a naive decision criterion that would recommend a course of action that no real, rational person would be willing to take. For example, presume a game in which we flip a coin each round. The pot starts at $1 and doubles every time a head appears. The first time a tail appears, the game ends, and the player keeps the pot. What is the expected value of the game? Mathematically, 1/2 of $1 plus 1/4 of $2 plus 1/8 of $4, and so forth to infinity. But no one would pay an infinite price to play such a game. The mathematicians have solved this paradox by determining the expected value based on the house's bankroll, since no person offering the game has infinite wealth. Calculations place the game's worth between $4 for a $100 bankroll and $24 for a $60 trillion bankroll, the approximate 2010 world GDP. While amusing, there is little practical value in this paradox. However, another version of sequential game theory is very insightful. Consider a game in which the player may spin one of 3 wheels, each equally weighted, with the results in the following table. The player wins a multiple of his bet. 75% means a $1 bet returns 75 cents, a 25% loss. Additionally, the player must wager all of his bankroll on each bet. Which wheel would you spin? Why? A little noodling suggests that the answer depends on the number of wagers required. Wheel C contains a total loss. Common sense tells us that if we play the game long enough, we'll lose everything. But what about wheels A and B? If we spin any one wheel an infinite number of times, the average return of each spin is defined purely by the geometric mean. If we spin any one wheel only once, the average return is defined purely by the arithmetic mean. In time, even wheel B will eventually destroy all of our wealth.